An elite soldier, a Cybertruck explosion, and an untold mystery. What really happened? In a shocking event, reports suggest a man, an elite soldier, was found in a Cybertruck moments before it exploded. But before the blast, it's believed he took his own life. Eyewitnesses recall hearing a single gunshot before the vehicle erupted in flames. Authorities are investigating whether the explosion was an accident or part of a larger tragic plan. The man's identity reveals a history of high-stakes military missions. Experts suggest he may have been struggling with personal demons, a haunting reality for many veterans. While the investigation continues, this incident raises critical questions about mental health support for those who serve and the safety features of high-tech vehicles like the Cybertruck. Join the conversation, share this video to raise awareness about mental health and vehicle safety. Subscribe for updates as this story unfolds.